We got a pretty sweet motor under here, 572 big block John Cassie motor. And this thing puts about 800 horsepower, naturally aspirated. This thing's massive, insane, it's super loud, incredible, throaty, raspy. Nice low hydro boost system set up here. And of course we got dual electric fans, power steering, reservoir, all kinds of stuff under here, but try to keep it pretty clean, muted down, bed liner here and here. He does plan to go off-roading in this. I don't know how much off-roading is going to do, but he does plan to do some. So of course we got some nice rubber on here, stock frame with a lot of suspension upgrades on the stock frame, brand new axles, heavy duty, front and rear.